Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mercury here. So, really quick, I just wanted to make a video regarding my thoughts on Bitcoin's price action. Sorry if I sound weird. I just woke up like not too long ago. But the first thing that I do when I'm analyzing Bitcoin or any chart really is I analyze the market structure. And what that does is it helps me understand what is the trend. What side should be looking to play? Should I be looking for shorts or should I be looking for longs? And I do this on every single time frame. So first, I'll probably zoom out to the daily. Of course, we know the weekly is bullish. We know the weekly is bullish trending. So I'll zoom into the daily and analyze what is my market structure here. And at the moment, your market structure is consolidation. So you have your high, you have your low, you have a lower high, and at the moment, you're holding a higher low, right? So that gives you a consolidation market structure. Now, this is where you see people, come out with their symmetrical triangles and whatever else, their trend lines, their swing fails. But really, the concept is once you break this low, you are downtrending because you formed a lower high and you followed that up with a lower low. And the alternative to that is once you break this high, you are uptrending because you have low, high, higher low, higher high. Right? So whichever direction you break will likely determine the high time frame trend. Right. And so high time frame means like a couple weeks from now, maybe a couple months from now, whatever it may be, how long that trend lasts. So this is the first time that we've seen Bitcoin even threaten to flip bearish on the daily. So context matters here. And I would love to say that. I'd love to say context matters. All right. The context of this situation is you haven't trended bearishly on your daily chart since probably March. Okay. All of this price action here is higher lows and higher highs the entire way through, no matter how you look at it. So you have been bullish trending on your daily for almost a year, right? Like 9 months. So breaking that and turning that structure, turning that trend on your daily chart into a bearish trending structure is significant. Okay. It's nothing to scoff at. It would likely lead to a couple months of downtrend, right? In my personal opinion. So, yes, I am putting a lot of pressure on we need to hold this low. So, if you're not scared, it might be because you don't understand the context of the situation. So, when we jump into the 4 hour, do the same exact analysis. What is our trend on the 4 hour? Well, really, it's a downtrend, right? So, this is why you saw me bearish all throughout this price action. I did take a long here, but managed to get stopped out, and rightfully so. Got stopped out, and here we are. We're continuing our bearish trend on the 4 hour. So now you are downtrending into probably the last support level before we do break this daily structure, right? If we don't hold the 4 hour 200 MAs, with my strategy, with what I use to trade these charts, when I'm analyzing this price action and I'm debating should I go long or should I short, the only thing that I see stopping us from heading down and breaking our market structure on the daily into a bearish market structure are these 4 hour 200 MAs. So essentially, if you don't hold this, you probably break that structure. You probably see continued sell off for the next few weeks, maybe even months to follow. So that's the context of the situation. Just analyze, what is your trend? At the moment, we are still holding a higher low. So if this does hold, that probably was your higher low on the daily. Then you might head up. You expect a lower high, right? And if you break it, you are bullish trending. That is best case scenario. So essentially, you could go long here, right? You could go long. You could say if this isn't the bottom, we probably will head on to breakdown from this daily market structure, and you could just look to long into a lower high. Personally, not interested. This price action looks extremely weak. Rather than tapping the 4-hour 200 MAs or allowing whoever wants to buy the 4-hour 200s, you're free to buy it. We're very weak right now. Rather than tapping and seeing an immediate reaction, we are downtrending. We are struggling to even keep this 4-hour candle close above the 4-hour 200s. So whatever happens in the next few days or so, I think will likely determine the rest of our consolidation, or do we go into a downtrend for the next few weeks or months or however long. So that's the context. I hope this helps. I hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. And remember, these are just my thoughts and my opinions. None of this is financial advice at all whatsoever. Just use this for your entertainment or some sort of educational purpose, right? All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed and take it easy.